If you own a pickup truck or van, chances are you've used it to transport some large cargo. Whether it be boxes, furniture, or machinery, your cargo needs to be secured so it doesn't move while you're driving. The Mytee Products Mesh Cargo Net is the perfect tool for securing cargo on your pickup truck or van. This particular net has a mesh lining that prevents small items from slipping through the heavy-duty polyester webbing. Today, we'll be showing you how to install our heavy-duty mesh cargo net on a typical pickup truck. Let's head outside and get started. First, take your cargo net and drape it over your load. Here we are demonstrating with a 3.5 foot tall skid. Try to align the net so an equal amount of netting is hanging from each side. Now that the net has been properly positioned, take out the included S-Hook Ratchet Straps. Our straps have a clip on the hook for extra security. Clip the strap onto one of the D-rings on the net. Then take the S-Hook side of the strap and attach it to one of your truck tie-down points. Repeat this process and secure each side of the cargo net. Now tighten each strap so the net fits snug over the cargo. Your heavy-duty mesh cargo net is now tied down and securing your cargo. With a breaking strength of an astonishing 10,000 pounds, the heavy-duty polyester webbing and mesh lining will give you peace of mind that your cargo will stay put. We offer this net in multiple sizes as well. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your heavy-duty cargo net with mesh lining.